Kigomano kia mwaka uyu kia utamburukia wa mahinya kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay, President William Ruto agikihingurania hete mukana honge cia thirikari kuhuthika ta darasha ya kuhe ungumania kanya ga guthamaka kaunti-ini itiganite.
There is something going on in our legislature that we must call out. There is money being demanded from the executive, from governors, from ministers, from people in the executive, especially those who go for accountability before our houses of parliament.
President amurikite kamiti cia bunge na makiria bunge-ini ya Senate iria ithurimaga mahuthiro ma thirikari cia county, akiuga kuri na wara uthunduritwo wa gutithiriria magavana kuhonoka nduano ya cira wa ngukumio kuria riu mahaki nimo marahuthika.
It cannot continue to be business as usual. It is not possible that committees of parliament demand to be bribed, demand to be paid for them to write reports or to look the other way for what is happening in either the national government or the county government.
President arauga no nginyagia kamiti ya kurana ungumania EACC gathe mushifi ario thikoni ni kuma EACC yauga kuri na magavana kenda mari mutaratara-ini wa guthuthurio. Iguru wa uguo ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni ruritio rwicurania gutwarithia na mbere uheani wa watho wa kugiriria kunyitwo niguo anticipatory bill amu magavana makoretwo makihiuka igoti-ini riria mamenya ni marathuthurio.
Just let's ask ourselves, somebody who has stolen public funds and then goes to court and gets something called anticipatory bail, makes it impossible for such a person to be arrested and prosecuted endlessly. How does that support the fight against corruption?
No na maya magithiaga na mbere president ni ahete MCAs mahinya ma gutigirira mawatho na uthiri wa mbeca county-ini ni wanyoroka magavana matekuhanda mihiga thutha wake gwikira kirore watho wa uthiri wa kigina gia county wa mwaka uyu thigiraini munini wa iregi Homa Bay.
The president has assented to a bill which was privately sponsored by Senator for Meru, the deputy speaker, Senator Kathuri, is the originator of that bill that has provided autonomy to county assemblies. Mr. President, again, history has been made that bills have been assented to in
Kigomano giki giukite riri motungata 14 mathamirio kuma thirikari nene nginyagia thirikari-ini cia county. No na gukire oguo president ni aunire ritho ungumania mutambo-ini wa eCitizen kuria muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari augire makiria ma bilioni 10 ni ciurite mutambo-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV retorya kwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.